going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you doing fine. Y'all know I'm making it. Today is National Fried Chicken Day. Not the day I'm filming on, the day y'all watching it on. So we're not going to talk about the Colonel, where it takes you a half an hour from the time you order it to the time you get the food. And it's probably going to be bland. We're not going to talk about Popeyes, where it takes you 45 minutes to an hour just for you to be able to order the food. Then it takes another half an hour for you to get the chicken and your order is wrong. Well, no, we're not going to talk about that. We're not going to talk about all the little chicken joints where the chicken you get it's going to taste good, but it's going to be greasy as hell. No, we're not going to talk about those joints. We're going to make some own homemade fried chicken. We're going to use up some Saints and Sinners Bayou Boogie. It's their Cajun rub. We're going to infuse some flavor into this chicken. So, grab a beer, crack it open, and enjoy the show. Cheers, everybody. Your ingredients for your fried chicken: some all-purpose flour with about 4 tablespoons of cornstarch in it, some Saints and Sinners Bayou Boogie, some Sebastian sauces, sassy hot sauce, some chicken breast, and 2 cups of buttermilk. We're going to make our fried chicken a couple different ways. First things first, we're going to leave one breast whole. We're going to go ahead and take one breast and cut it into strips. These are going to be our tenders. We're actually going to do that with 2 breasts because I got 4. I didn't remember I pulled out 4 breasts. And then we're going to make nuggets out of the last breast. Go ahead and cut those tenders now into pieces. There we go. Put them in the bowl. Now, we're going to go ahead, throw a little bit of our seasoning on them. Throw on some of our buttermilk. And then throw in some of that sassy hot sauce. I'm going to go ahead and stir this around and then put it in the fridge for a couple hours to let them marinate. Hot sauce to taste. I like them spicy, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and get our oil started up now. It's been a couple hours. That's not enough oil, so we're going to go ahead and pour some more in. There we go. Let that come up to temp. We're looking for 350 degrees. And we'll be back when it's done. Alright, the oil's up to temp now. We're going to go ahead and add in some of that Bayou Boogie into our flour. It's got salt, pepper, garlic, oregano, chili powder, thyme. Go ahead, dust them all in. Drop them in. This is going to take a couple minutes, so let them fry up. Bring it back once they finish cooking up. They're now floating on the top, so they're ready to go. Look at that. Nice and golden brown and delicious. Let's do another batch real quick. And this batch is done. Look at that. Takes no time at all to fry your chicken at home. Faster than trying to sit in line at the Popeyes. We're going to let this oil come back up to temp real quick. I'm going to do the rest of these batches off camera. And we're done. Fried chicken came out excellent. Took no time at all. Let's go ahead and bite into one of these pieces. Nice and crunchy, nice and tender, juicy. Got a nice kick from that Bayou Boogie, that Cajun rub from the Saints and Sinners. Just wonderful. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.